TPO versus EPDM versus PVC, which flat roof is best? If you're replacing a commercial flat roof in Florida, you've got three main options. Let's break them down. I'm Richard with Pinnacle Roofing Group, and here's how we help business owners choose the right roofing system for their flat roofs, not just based on price, but performance. TPO, it's the most popular. It's reflective and energy efficient. Good for general use buildings. The lifespan is 15 to 25 years. EPDM, it's a rubber membrane. It has flexibility, good in freeze and thaw. Absorbs more heat, more budget friendly. There's PVC, great for restaurants and industrial roofs. Chemical and grease resistant. Welded seams for water tightness. PVC costs more but lasts longer under tough exposure. We recommend based on your building use, not just square footage. Need help choosing? We'll walk your building, explain the options, and help you compare long-term ROI. Let's schedule your estimate today.